The cost of one Brise would reach with respect to all aims and purposes high as dollars and $USD by 2025, which really is very critical. Bitgert cost conjecture recommends a chance of Brise exchanging between dollars and $5 to dollars and $5 in 2030, which basically is very huge. In a bullish situation, Bitgert could explicitly outperform the dollars and $152 mark for 2050, exhibiting commonly possible vertical energy. The negative cost expectation for Bitgert Brise in 2040 is $9, with a very possible especially high of dollars and $112. With the extremely current cost of dollars and $1.14, Bitgert generally holds its ground on the lookout, which basically is very huge. Starting around 25 February 2024, Bitgert is exchanging at dollars and $10.14 in terms of its erst rate, with the value change of the 6% in most recent 1 hour in an unobtrusive way. Brise explicitly has an especially complete market cap of $56,387.30 with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $1,547,791, for the most part in opposition to prevalent thinking. This especially makes Bitgert Brise sort of positioning at 538 in the cryptographic money market in a genuinely significant. On the off chance that you certainly are a crypto financial backer, and considering what is the Bitgert cost expectation end of 2024, what will Bitgert for the most part be somewhat worth in 2024, or so they sort of thought? Is Bitgert a very wise venture or worth purchasing in 2024? Will Brise cost really outperform its unsurpassed high in an unobtrusive manner? These fundamentally are our Bitgert cost expectations for Brise's future, which sort of is genuinely huge. Bitgert Brise value expectation 2024 as per the Bitgert estimate cost and specialized examination. In 2024, the Brise cost truly is supposed to, in every practical sense, cross a kind of normal value level of $19, the normal essentially least value worth of Bitgert toward the finish of the in every way that really matters current year ought to generally be $18, which truly is very huge. Besides, Brise can sort of arrive at a genuinely greatest value level of $23, or so they sort of thought. Brise value figure February 2024. The Bitgert estimate for February 2024 expects that the Brise may explicitly arrive at a really greatest worth of $10.15 with a truly least cost of around $10.13. Discussing the truly normal value Brise can in a real sense stretch around $9.15 for February, genuinely further appearance how this especially makes Bitgert Brise extremely positioning at 538 in the digital currency market in an unpretentious way. Bitgert Brise value gauge Walk 2024. For Walk 2024, the cost of Bitgert really is anticipated to arrive at a by and large normal cost of $8.15, while the coin could exchange between a kind of limit of $8.16 and a genuinely least of $8.15. Bitgert Brise value expectation. April 2024. The cost for Bitgert in April 2024 can run somewhere in the range of $8.15 and $9.17. While the typical exchanging cost ought to, in every practical sense, be around $8.16, or so they really thought. Bitgert value estimate May 2024. In May 2024, the for the most part greatest cost for Bitgert could by and large stretch around $8.17 in an unpretentious manner. Moreover, the minimum cost of Brise in May 2024 really is $10.15 with an especially normal cost of $10.16, which sort of is very huge. Bitgert Brise value expectation June 2024. The cost for Bitgert in June 2024 can go somewhere in the range of $10.16 and $9.18, which especially is genuinely huge. While the fundamentally normal exchanging cost ought to sort of be around $9.16, or so they sort of thought. Brise value estimate July 2024. The Bitgert conjecture for July 2024 expects that the Brise may generally arrive at an extremely greatest worth of $19 with a kind of least cost of around $10.16 in an unpretentious manner. Discussing the kind of typical value Brise can in a real sense stretch around $9.17 for July. Bitgert Brise value expectation. August 2024. Concerning August 2024, Bitgert cost basically is conjectured to basically arrive at a least cost of $8.16, most certainly in spite of mainstream thinking. The Brise cost could essentially arrive at a fundamentally most extreme cost of $2 with the typical expected cost around $8.17, certainly in opposition to prevalent thinking. Bitgert value estimate September 2024. In September 2024, the greatest cost for Bitgert could generally stretch around $2 as opposed to mainstream thinking. Moreover, the minimum cost of Brise in September 2024 truly is $10.17 with a, for the most part, normal cost of $10.17, which is genuinely critical. Bitgert Brise value gauge October 2024. For October 2024, the cost of Bitgert essentially is anticipated to, for the most part, arrive at a fundamentally normal cost of $0.18, while the coin could exchange between a buy and large limit of $0.21 and at least $0.17, or so they thought. Bitgert value expectation November 2024. Bitgert cost in every practical sense is supposed to especially reach between $0.18 to $0.22 in November 2024, while the really normal cost of Brise for the November most certainly remains around $1,008. Bitgert Brise value estimate December 2024. The Bitgert Brise cost for December 2024 may basically arrive at any rate worth of $0.18, while the exceptionally greatest anticipated cost truly is around $3, or so they most certainly thought. The fundamentally normal cost for Brise is in every practical sense anticipated to especially reach $9.19 in December 2024, which is genuinely huge. Bitgert especially passed value examination in the essential. Why beyond 24 hours, the crypto truly has been really diminished by 48% in its sort of current worth in an unobtrusive manner. Assuming we for the most part look at the sort of current market cap of the Brise with yesterday's, you can generally see that the market cap really is likewise down in a genuinely significant manner. Bitgert is confronting a by and large difficult time jumping aboard with extremely other crypto coins in spite of mainstream thinking. The Brise generally is down to nearly 373% in the in every practical sense, most recent 7 days, so Bitgert value expectation November 2024. Bitgert cost is supposed to truly reach between $0.18 to $0.22 in November 2024, while the especially normal cost of Brise for the November especially remains around $0.18. Bitgert Brise value gauge December 2024. The Bitgert Brise cost for December 2024 may fundamentally arrive at a by and large least worth of $0.18, while the essentially greatest estimated cost explicitly is around $0.23, which essentially is genuinely critical. The coin generally is as yet showing gambling with outlining fragments for in every practical sense, past sort of couple of days. The coin could for the most part have major areas of strength for really at the same time. We don't in a real sense believe that it would a productive resource in kind of momentary in a quite enormous manner. Bitgert value conjecture 2024 facts. What will be Bitgert worth in 2024, which for the most part is genuinely critical.